Good day and welcome to the Math Salon. My name is Dr. Anumendem. We'll be looking at 4 Ordinary Level GCE Mathematics Paper 1 questions. So the first question is, consider a set A with elements 1, 2, 5, 10. And without writing out the subsets of A, look for the cardinality of the power set of A. So the important things here are cardinality and power set. The power set of a set is simply a new set made up of all the possible subsets of that set. That is why you asked not to do, because there will be many of them, so it will be an easier way but laborious and will take much more time than required for this question. So there is a short formula for being able to calculate the cardinality of the power of a set, and that's simply 2 raised to the power the number of elements in the set A. So how many elements are there in the set A? 1, 2, 3, 4. So my cardinality is equal to 2 raised to the power 4, and that is 16. Question number 2. When x squared plus 2x minus 7 is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is? So from remainder theorem, we know that if a polynomial f of x is divided by, say, x minus a, then the remainder r is given as f of a, where the value put here is equal to the value of x that makes this 0. That means if f of x is divided by x plus a, then the remainder would be f of minus a, because x needs to be minus a for this to be 0. For our case, we have the second version, x plus 2. So my remainder would be f of minus 2, because when x is minus 2, this goes to 0. So I'm just left to fit minus 2 in the places of x in my function. So r then is equal to minus 2 squared minus or plus there 2 times minus 2 minus 7, and that is equal to 4. Minus 2 squared is 4, because it's minus 2 times minus 2. The minus times the minus become plus. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4 minus 7. The minus 4 goes away with the 4, and I'm left with minus 7. For the third question, it says, given that the system of equations x plus y is equal to 2 and x minus y is equal to 28, then the value of x is? So these are two simultaneous equations that we can solve. So x here plus y is equal to 2. I put this just beneath the under, minus y is equal to 28. There are several ways of solving simultaneous equations. You have matrix method, you have the graphical method, you have substitution method. The easiest one for this case, for a paper 1 question, then is going to be elimination. My question wants me to solve for x. So the best thing for me to do is try to make y disappear. Y here is plus and y here is minus. So if I sum the two equations, then y will go away. X plus x will be 2x. Plus y minus y will disappear. So we get plus 0y. And that's equal to 2 plus 28 is 30. That means 2x is equal to 30. If I divide both sides by 2, x will be equal to 15. And for the fourth, given that 3i plus kj is parallel to 2i plus 6j, then the value of k is? We have two vectors here, and we are told that the two are parallel. Two vectors are parallel if they have the same direction, and the only difference is in terms of their length. So if A is parallel to B, then they will have a scalar multiple between them. So that means I have a vector A and that is parallel to B. That means I can write this expression. So let's say this one is A and this is B. That means 3i plus kj is equal to lambda into brackets 2i plus 6j. If I open this, this is 3i plus kj is equal to 2 lambda You see, we didn't write lambda 2 because math is beautiful. You have to always make it look nice. Yeah. So I plus 6 lambda j. If these two vectors are the same, it means this 3 must be equal to this 2 lambda and the k must be equal to 6 lambda. That means 3 is equal to 2 lambda. So lambda is equal to 3 divided by 2. If I divide both sides of this by 2, these two cancel, I get 3 on 2. And my k should be equal to 6 lambda. But lambda is 3 on 2, so I can put it there. So that's 6 times 3 on 2. 2 goes here 1, 2 goes there 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So k here is 9. Please, if you like the video, do not forget to click the thumbs up button and most especially subscribe so that when we upload new videos concerning new questions